This is the Cubot KingKong X Pro, a rugged smartphone that packs durability, power, and high-end specs. This device is built for those who need their phone to withstand extreme conditions without sacrificing performance. So, let's check out everything the KingKong X Pro has to offer. The Cubot KingKong X Pro was just released on November 1st, 2024, and it's running on Android 14. Right off the bat, this phone is a powerhouse in a tough shell. Ideal for users working in demanding environments or anyone who needs a phone that can handle a little or a lot of rough treatment. Let's start with the build. The KingKong X Pro measures 175.9 by 83.3 by 18.35 millimeters and weighs a substantial 392 grams. It's built with a combination of tough polycarbonate, lightweight metal, and shock-absorbing rubber to handle drops, shocks, and extreme temperatures. It's certified with IP68 and IP69K ratings for water and dust resistance, plus MIL-STD-810H military certification, so this phone is ready for just about anything. Moving on to the display, the KingKong X Pro has a large 6.72-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, providing clear and vibrant visuals. Plus, it's got a 144 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and gaming smooth and immersive. Brightness reaches up to 500 nits, and with Corning Gorilla Glass, you're getting excellent scratch and impact protection. Now, under the hood, the KingKong X Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU clocked at 3.1 GHz and an ARM Mali G610 GPU. This configuration is excellent for multitasking and even handling demanding apps or games. Now, when it comes to RAM, what we have in this phone is simply incredible. No phone comes close. We have two RAM options here, 12 GB or 24 GB LPDDR5, with an additional virtual expansion of up to 24 GB. Adding the second configuration brings us to 48 GB of RAM. Incredible, isn't it? Storage-wise, it offers 256 GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage. And if you need more space, it supports microSD cards up to 1 TB. Let's talk cameras. The rear camera system is pretty impressive for a rugged phone. It's led by a 100-megapixel main sensor from Omnivision for solid low-light performance. You also get a 5-megapixel macro camera with autofocus for close-up shots and a 0.3-megapixel depth sensor. For video, it can shoot up to 4K at 30 frames per second. Up front, you get a 32-megapixel Sony selfie camera, perfect for high-quality selfies or video calls. Another feature that stands out here is the battery. The KingKong X Pro comes with a massive 10,200 mAh battery, so you're getting incredible battery life that can easily last multiple days on a single charge. And when you do need to top up, it supports fast charging at up to 33 watts, which means you can get back to full power relatively quickly given the battery size. Connectivity options are top-notch here. You have NFC for contactless payments, Bluetooth 5.3 for faster and more stable connections, and Wi-Fi 6 for super fast internet speeds. Plus, it's equipped with GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, giving you accurate location services wherever you are. And for charging and data transfer, you get a USB Type-C port. Now, here's something that's common in rugged smartphones. The KingKong X Pro has a secondary display on the back. This small screen lets you check notifications and access essential information without turning on the main screen, a cool feature that adds some extra convenience. It also has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick, secure unlocking. So, that's the Cubot KingKong X Pro, a rugged smartphone built for extreme conditions with powerful specs, a great camera system, and a super long-lasting battery. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, a field worker, or just someone who needs a seriously tough device without sacrificing performance, this could be the perfect smartphone for you. At the time of publishing this video, it costs just $240. And if you're thinking about upgrading your phone, smartwatch, or tech accessories, or even buying this phone, now is the time. From November 11th to 19th, Aliexpress is hosting the biggest sale of the year, with amazing discounts on thousands of products. All the links are in the description to make your shopping easier. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.